So here is the comparison between Taskade and Workfront. You can click on the links down in the description if you want to try out Taskade or Workfront. Taskade is a lightweight, flexible productivity app that combines task limits, mind maps, notes, and real-time collaboration. It's great for individuals, small teams, or startups that want a simple, all-in-one workspace for planning, brainstorming, and getting things done. It's fast, intuitive, and works well across devices, but may lack some of the deeper project governance, reporting, or role management features found in enterprise tools. Workfront, on the other hand, is a robust, enterprise-grade project management platform built for large organizations with complex workflows. It's designed to handle cross-functional teams, multiple departments, and detailed approval chains, making it ideal for marketing, creative, and operations teams. It includes advanced features like resource management, budgeting, time tracking, and powerful reporting dashboards. The downside, it comes with a steeper learning curve and a higher price tag, so it may be overkill for small teams. So if you are a small team or individual looking for a fast, easy way to collaborate and organize tasks, Taskade is a great choice. But if you're managing large-scale projects across departments and need detailed control and reporting, Workfront is the way to go.